I think it's been a big journey for me.
Well, the ability to adapt and create something out of nothing is where the magic lies. So that's what these young minds have been trying.
Ryan has intensity.
This is gonna be the best experience in my life.
डिफरेंट रहा, डिफिकल्ट रहा, एक चैलेंजेबल रहा.
Yes, good intense look.
Anju uses her mind for creative vision as well as for technique.
I'm ready for challenges.
A very creative use of modern architecture, I feel. Harsh has a streak in him. He can get something which is ordinary, but he can also get something which is extraordinary.
कैसे पिक्चर्स आए हैं, जजेस को कैसे लगते हैं पिक्चर्स?
Your picture is one strongest picture.
That's a big compliment.
Yeah.
फीलिंग वेरी गुड.
क्योंकि फाइनल तक आना
थोड़ा प्रिपरेशन मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा.
फॉर मी इट्स रियली ओवरवेलमिंग. खैर अभी एक टास्क और है.
So I have to make it in a good way.
Get ready as our judges and finalists present to you the electrifying grand finale of No Filter by Indigo.
Hello and welcome to the grand finale of No Filter by Indigo. So the fun and games are over. There is a twist in the tale.
Okay.
In fact, there are two twists in the tale. One is that you have two tasks, not one, two different themes. And the second one is that you don't even have your camera for one of the tasks. What you have is a phone. And you have to click one image with the camera and one with the phone. How's that for you?
चैलेंज
The biggest challenge I ever faced.
So now we will tell you the tasks for the finale, okay?
Okay, guys. This task is a filmy frame from Imtiaz Ali's Tamasha. Look at the image he's created. It looks so strange and deep and very quiet from inside, but yet saying things. Would you like to say something about your frame and the Tamasha?
We shot this in Delhi, and it is in the back alleys of Haus Khas. For me, it's a very poignant moment because somebody is actually trying to hide from somebody, and in a way trying to hide from himself.
Is there any symbol of like door and window?
You have to interpret
Okay.
this moment in your own way,
Yeah.
and I think the purpose is to bring that interpretation or that emotion in the pictures or the images you create.
For the first task, our contestants make their way to Delhi's most iconic theatres. Akshara Theatre, the LTG Auditorium, and Shri Ram Center for Performing Arts. With only an hour on the clock, they must click just one striking image encapsulating their interpretation of the cinematic frame.
आज हम हैं अपने फिनाले वाले टास्क में. It's related to emotion.
इमोशन कैप्चर करना मेरे लिए मतलब वैसे देखा जाए तो काफ़ी सिंपल है, क्योंकि वेडिंग में मैं ज़्यादा कैंडिड फोटोग्राफी करता हूँ.
So low light is going to be very difficult for me.
मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है. कोई ऐसा इसमें इमोशन है जहाँ पे लव, एक्सेप्टेंस, इग्नोरेंस, सारी चीज़ें एक साथ आती हो?
नहीं.
I don't have photography experience for this kind of task. I don't know how I'm gonna do, but yes, I will try my best.
मुझे जो मूवमेंट चाहिए थी वो मुझे मिल रही है काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे जो फोटो सबमिट करनी है तो मुझे इजीली मिल जाएगी.
It was pretty hard and pretty difficult for me, but yeah, I have to put all my efforts on it because अभी फाइनल राउंड है. इसके बाद तो या तो एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे सीधे या तो विनर की शक्ल में घर आ जाएंगे।
तो अभी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो रही है लेने में, क्योंकि एक तो ये स्टेज है और हम बीच में नहीं जा सकते हैं और लाइट आ रही है जा रही है।
अक्षरा थिएटर में मेरा शूट काफ़ी अच्छा रहा।
And the photos that I got so beautiful, and I can't wait to show and represent my photos to my judges.
जो करेक्टर दिखाते हैं इम्तियाज़ सर, उनके एक करेक्टर के अंदर 3-4 करेक्टर होते हैं। तो मैंने भी एक फ्रेम ऐसा कोशिश किया है जिसके अंदर मैं उस इमोशन को दिखा पाऊँ और वो करेक्टर लेके आ पाऊँ। तो मुझे लगता है कि जजेस को मेरा ये फ्रेम जरूर पसंद आएगा।
While the contestants are still catching their breath from the first challenge, they meet the judges for the next one.
Now, task number 2
is inspired by Raghu Rai, and that is Calm in Chaos. We will send you to the bazaars of Delhi, and there you will have to find a moment in the chaos which is calm. As you can see, this is a spectacular, iconic picture by the great master himself in the Churchgate station, sir. Huh? Calm in Chaos.
Yeah.
How long back did you shoot this?
Maybe 15, 16 years back. Actually, I was doing a story on Bombay for a French magazine. So there was a big electric box or something. I put my camera on the top of the box so that I am close enough and I can give a long exposure. So I gave 1/8 of a second, 1/4 of a second, 1/30th of a second, and then chose this one.
तो सर ये आपने क्लिक किया था तब एक ही बार में ये पिक्चर मतलब आ गया था?
एक ही बार में नहीं, मैंने I had taken 8-10 frames.
ओके।
And also 2-3 frames were very different looking within these situations.
Would you like to give them some advice?
Off you go with your eyes connected to your heart
Right.
so that you come back with a heartful photograph.
Right, sir.
Okay?
Thanks.
यस, थैंक यू सर।
All the best.
While battling challenges on their way, our contestants are about to hit the bustling bazaars of Delhi. Sarojini Nagar Market, Janpat Market, and Khari Bauli. With only an hour on the clock, they must capture a moment of calm in the chaos.
फोन ही नहीं उठा रहा है, करूँ तो क्या करूँ? तू कॉल क्यों नहीं उठा रहा है?
अरे मेरा बाइट चल रहा था। मैं अभी रैन को
बाइट्स क्या बाइट?
मतलब उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि AF पॉइंट कैसे सेट करते हैं उसमें।
मुझे सी फोकस पॉइंट, मेरा फोकस ना मेरे ऑब्जेक्ट पे रहना चाहिए, बाकी इमोशंस में आना चाहिए।
मीटरिंग मोड में जा और मुझे बता कि कौन कौन से मीटरिंग मोड है।
वो मीटरिंग मोड कहाँ से लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर?
रुक जा, तेरे को दिखाता हूँ, रुक एक ही सेकंड रुक।
पे जाना है, राइट?
मैं तेरे को फोटो भेजता। मुझे ऐसा है कि रैन जीते, अंजू जीते या मैं जीतूँ, मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
इसने मुझे सब कुछ सिखाया। You deserve it.
आज मुझे टास्क मिला है जनपद मार्केट पे काम एंड क्योस। आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट। मैं स्ट्रीट फोटोग्राफी भी करता हूँ और मैंने मोशन ब्लर भी काफ़ी ट्राई किया है आगे, लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट दिख रहा है मुझे। तो ये टास्क दिया है मुझे रघुराई सर ने, मतलब उनको लॉर्ड बोला जाता है फोटोग्राफी का।
पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ।
1 घंटा ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ पर हुआ है एंड अभी तक कोई फ्रेम ऐसी नहीं मिल रही है। लाइक ऊपर से रेन भी हो रही है, तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी।
हाँ, नजर यहाँ, मगर मूवमेंट मत करना। हाँ, मूवमेंट कुछ मत करना, ऐसे ऐसे मत करना, बस मत।
It's very chaotic actually. Calmness, I don't know where is calmness in this chaos.
बारिश की वजह से थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, पब्लिक ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो मुझे जिस टाइप की पिक्चर्स चाहिए वो मुझे नहीं मिल रही है।
I got 2-3 frames, but the essence of this market, I'm not getting it. So I just want that kind of frame.
So finally, task has been completed, and it was quite hard for me to find the perfect frame in this area. But somehow I tried my best to get the perfect shot.
मैंने जितना आसान सोचा था उतना आसान था नहीं ये टास्क, काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट रहा मेरे लिए। कुछ फ़ोटोज़ तो मैंने ली है, लेकिन मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ कि जजेस को वो पसंद आएगी या नहीं आएगी।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
वेलकम बैक। सो कैसा रहा?
सर मेरे लिए थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग रहा
जी।
क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा फ़ोन फोटोग्राफी नहीं करता, तो वो टास्क मेरे लिए थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग रहा।
आप कहाँ गई थी?
सर मेरा भी एक थिएटर में ही था, जिसमें एक ब्रिटिश एरा का प्ले चल रहा था, और मुझे उसमें कैप्चर करना था वो इमोशन। इट वाज रियली चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज क्योंकि वो प्ले इतना फास्ट था और हर 2 मिनट में सीन चेंज हो रहे थे उसमें।
क्या बात है?
Very good.
What opportunities you are getting?
यस सर, बट उसमें वो इमोशन नहीं थे।
You are finding it difficult to get
Yes.
that in one frame.
यस सर,
Okay.
राइट।
But you have a lot of experience.
मेरे लिए I feel काफी easy था because phone photography is in my veins.
Nice.
Oh
nice.
yeah, so for me it was easy.
Okay, okay. And we'll have a look at the picture starting with Rayan. And this is the makeup room. Okay, okay.
But why won't you take it horizontally? Tell me.
Because I used to carry.
Oh, you see, this is the problem. Everybody, when it comes to cell phone, using a cell phone, they always go vertical. I will beat you up for this. But your picture is well exposed and good expression.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Chaliye, the next one.
Anju's picture for filmy frame.
Anju, there you
Ah.
are.
Well, you've managed a good picture. You said you didn't get a very nice, very nice drama.
What is she carrying?
इट्स अ बेबी, शी इज प्लेइंग अ रोल ऑफ
Dum
रानी
Dum
लक्ष्मीबाई। तो मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया है कि मैं कुछ जस्टिफाई कर पाऊँ जो इमोशंस आपकी फ्रेम में थे।
Ah, there she is. Very good.
And the third image, Harsh का filmy frame.
अरे तुमने तो बहुत कुछ ले लिया। कहता है I'm not good at using cell phone. Look at it. He's got so much happening.
ये यहाँ रामायण प्ले हो रहा था, एक सीन प्ले हो रहा था यहाँ। हनुमान जी आए थे और रावण, हनुमान जी उनको बता रहे थे कि आप सीता मैया को छोड़ दीजिए, और वो सैड फीलिंग फेस पे दिखनी चाहिए थी, मुझे उतनी शायद मुझे लगता है उतनी नहीं मिली है मुझे।
Good. That's an honest confession. Very good. Shall we move to the
Yes,
next
sure.
task now?
Yes, sir.
That's by Mr. Raghu Rai. And Calm and Chaos moment जो आपने recreate किया है, वो कहाँ shoot किया था?
वो सरोजनी मार्केट में मैंने किया था सर।
मार्केट में, कपड़े मार्केट में।
हाँ सर,
Oh God.
very difficult.
Oh God,
Very
it's so
difficult.
chaotic.
And the
Okay.
thing is कि I went with 50 mm lens.
And this is the picture? Okay.
You got it, man. Nee?
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, this guy in the forefront and the movement.
Nice.
Well done. चलिए, the next one.
The next one, Anju, आप कहाँ गई थी?
सर मैं गई थी स्पाइस मार्केट।
Spice Market
या
in near Chandni Chowk.
यस सर, नियर।
Beautiful. And you got this.
Yeah.
ड्यू टू वेदर थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हुआ था, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा कामनेस नजर ही नहीं आ रहा था।
But this you got.
यस सर।
काफी calm.
Yeah.
Warm है.
Yes, yes.
It's quite nice.
You got it in color.
You got it in color and you got big movement in the foreground, I think.
And the third one? Harsh.
Harsh.
There he is.
Oh.
ये तो मेरी पिक्चर थी। नहीं, but mine was up front, his is side.
Right.
So we can't say that.
But
I think
very good.
all three of you have done very good.
Fantastic job.
Yeah,
Good job.
yeah.
All three have done well.
Absolutely. And in such a short time. मैंने तो घंटों लगाए थे। Okay. Guys, decision has to be taken.
As the grand finale of the show unfolds, our contestants, battle-hardened from a relentless series of challenges, find themselves at a pivotal crossroad. The judges take one last look at the contestants' submissions. The tension rises as they grapple to reach the ultimate decision.
So the winner of the grand finale of No Filter by Indigo is
So you do the dirty job. कह दो दुनिया में किसने जीता.
This is a happy moment, but also a very harsh moment. So congratulations, Harsh.
Wow.
You are the winner of the grand finale.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Harsh Kharwar takes the victory. Hailing from Surat, this wedding photographer not only captured stunning shots, but also won hearts. A true example of talent and heart, and now the winner of No Filter by Indigo. This marks the conclusion of a show that was dedicated to create a platform for photographers across the country.
From 9 participants to 1 winner has been the journey of No Filter by Indigo. The idea behind this competition was to build a community of photographers with the blessings of the great Raghu Rai.
And take them to another level of creativity.
And over and out from us. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. Goodbye.